where is your energy coming from? Not what certificates you bought, but who are you paying?
Like, energy underpins every single industry in the world. Manufacturing, jobs, climate, AI, it's everywhere and it's everything, and that's actually all I see.
I can see it in the numbers. I worked at an energy company and I could see the margins being added and the risk premiums and the market fees, the exchange fees.
This was pre-energy crisis, and people were doing deals that were like 20x margin that they'd never done before. And it was in that moment, I was just like, that does not feel good.
Shouldn't be this very scary thing that you read about in the headlines. It should feel like something that is so natural and so comfortable and so accessible and so easy to understand. And that's what we're building at TEM. And in energy, most people talk about production, energy that gets generated, and distribution. But there's actually a missing third component here, and that's the transaction cost. It's actually the price of energy and how that gets set. And that's the most complex thing to actually bring into the light, because you can't see it, you don't know about it, and it feels like it's wrapped up in a very complex market that you can't access.
You simply can't, as big energy, achieve that traceability. All you can do is play on top of that and go, we're not going to be transparent because we can't, and actually we're going to play off of the fact that we can't.
Where there's massive amounts of value being extracted from the center of the system at the expense of the users.
So what we're doing is we're basically rebuilding that kind of transaction layer directly from the actual real buyers and the real sellers.
If we reinvent this market and transaction of electricity around the actual people and businesses and the humans behind the scenes, you're likely to produce a better product and a better solution and at better costs.
I had the privilege of visiting a rugby club in South Wales, and they were spending over £36,000 on energy. Within a few clicks of a button, they were able to save over £12,000.
That is paramount, right, for a small business. They can take that money and they can reinvest it back into the things that really matter. This is not just about, hey, we want a customer. This is about the impact we had on that customer to actually keep their business afloat.
Should it be that disruptive that we put the users of the system first and not the big energy companies in the middle? Like, it really shouldn't be.
Our big vision here is to power the Earth's energy transactions, full stop. That's where we're going, and we won't stop until that's done.